Teachers, what's the funniest thing a student has said that you had to punish them for? As a kindergarten teacher, I once had a boy who was an only child and couldn't understand why he wasn't always first. If he wasn't first in line, first to get something, or first to answer, he'd throw himself on the floor screaming. If I praised another student, he'd shout, "What about me?" Ignoring him only made it worse, and honestly, it was pretty entertaining at times. On top of everything, the poor kid was physically weak, neither overweight nor athletic, just slow in everything he did. His mom was pregnant while he was in my class, and she was clearly worn out, saying no to him more often. It seems she finally realized how spoiled he was, or maybe she just didn't have the energy to chase after him when he threw tantrums and hit her. One day during math, he hit a girl for opening her book before him. I asked him to apologize, and he erupted into a fit. When I calmly told him hitting was unacceptable, he hit me and tried to run, but he wasn't fast, so I easily caught up and held his hands with just my thumb and finger. He screamed and flailed for 10 minutes straight. At one point he yelled, "You better let me go or I'll count to 20. I almost laughed. He couldn't even count past 13 due to his speech impediment. After 30 minutes, he finally exhausted himself, climbed into my lap, hugged me, and apologized. He's in high school now, but I'll never forget that day. It still cracks